Okay, here's another. Now, this is a Tractor Supply clearance. This would be an old timer. Let's see if I have it upside down or not. Nope, I got it perfect. Old timer, normally 10. You know, again, this is Tractor Supply. They never update their little stickers. This was not $8, it was $5. There's your PCU and your ECM. 2022 ABDB, Columbia, Missouri. That's what MO is, right? Missouri. Oldtimer.com warranty, generational guarantee, whatever that means, huh? Generational guarantee. What the hell does that even mean? Does that mean geriatrics or something? Anyhow, let's open up this old timer with the dark side blade. Go to the front. Well, I'm about to talk to myself there, and I stopped myself. All right, let's see. This is plastic? I thought old timer is supposed to be good. Or some sort of quality. What's 5ot mean? I have it over here, too. BRUN 5ot. Is that what the name of this blade is? I mean, you do have a metal sheath. You do have your... Oh, that's the directions in there, huh? I thought it was a... Morning, the edge is sharp. You know, it's a little late telling me that because I could have cut my hand open trying to get that out of there, you know. Let's see if we got a generational guarantee in here. So, I thought that was a do. Anyhow, it seems cheesy plastic. This makes me think old timer or garbage, except for the ones with bone handles. Is this bone? This really seems like a plastic handle. What does it say? Saw cut handle? Saw cut handle. What does that mean? I'm like 3 minutes in. I don't even see if the knife works. Hey, what kind of... Oh, this is this kind of release. Man, that is really tight, and these metal edges are really sharp. Maybe that's what I meant by sharp. Oh. Did it even cut any hair? Maybe one. I mean, it feels sharp, but it doesn't feel razor sharp. We barely cut any hair at all. Definitely can't one finger it. What is this? The handle seems like cheap plastic. Bro, it was $5. It was $5, bro. Anyway, yeah. It's pretty light because that is like some cheap ass plastic right about there. And the release is kind of stiff. I don't know. I don't know jack about knives, but this thing seems annoying. Even though, you know, whatevs, you know. It's a whole whatevs thing. And I think that's pretty much life. It's just a whatever. And if you're buying a knife because you like using knives, you're probably not buying one of these anyway. You're gonna buy a buck. Buck. This idiot thinks buck are good. I'll buy a Kershaw.